Andeleas Cocoon! Like and subscribe. Ow, I ate my finger.
Alright guys, what is going on? We're doing a little intro, but we got Jeffro here, we got Cal here, me and him's come from a fishing trip. But this is the third episode in Hall's Gap. It's a banger video as well. We got more coming. After this you'll see Dill will be in it and we hiked the pinnacle and stuff. So yeah, anyway, enjoy the rest of this video.
The boys, what's going on, guys? Nice. The boys are on.
For noodles. Do you put the veggies in your noodles?
Mm-hmm.
Do you? Comment.
Explain what you just told me.
It's a whale sucking a.
You can make a whale sucking a out of a $5 note.
That's the whale and that's the.
Comment if you see it. Oh, right. We're going for a random little walk. Me and Kyle went up here last time. If you dropped
Would you do that?
No, kid. I dropped my phone in the Murray River. Sick. Oh, Dill's coming. He wants to do the pinnacle, so. I just made a leap of faith and I rolled my ankle and then I cut my hand. It doesn't look bad, but it's starting to bruise and it really hurt. It was on like one of these spiky son of a dog. We're literally on the edge of death.
I'm big. You've lost the privileges to get them yourself. What me?
That wasn't mine. One more.
That would have wetted your mouth.
Please. Last one, please. Yeah! Look at all the biscuits. I'll throw some back to you. See, that's how you throw a real chip.
Oh dear. I need a fart.
I picked the stick behind me and it hit him in the neck. I didn't even look. Oh. Well, look where we are.
Death.
Log Central. More unstable than a broken table. You. Look how much walking space you have. Was meant to be shot on the bed. He
It was obviously bumped on the head. Yes.
bumped on the head. He was bumped on the head.
Touch it. Just touch. Oh.
Coke. He's coke fist everywhere. He's used all the sort of bouncy outs.
He was worried about a bit of water on the floor before.
Now look at show us your chest. Are we about to check out?
We're about to check out.
Yeah. Check out what?
Your mom.
All right, the boys are on an early morning mish. All right, guys, we made it to the waterfall. It's looking pretty active today.
Deep.
Tell them to like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Thank you.
Kyle. Could have been shot on.
The chin.
The chin.
Wasn't that it?
Dead.
Oh, it's actually gushing today. There's a man with a blue jumper. How you going?
G'day.
Woo! I don't know if I want to. That's pretty cool. We're going down here.
Motherfucker just threw his GoPro over a waterfall. I said that to Cal. I'm like, he's not going to be able to get back up. Very cool, Spider-Man. He even looks like Spider-Man.
Wait, no, we'll do the Johnny Depp one.
The Johnny Depp walk. Okay, cut. How did he do this so quick? You look like you had a stick shoved up your ass.
Yeah, that
Hello there. Like and subscribe. He walked away. bum. He's gonna sit on the tree, I'm telling you, and it's gonna snap. I lied. Let me go over here. He's gonna have fun getting down.
Hey, do you want to get a photo?
Okay. We're in a massive like hole.
Wait, there's a track up there. Well, just wait, I'll get my shit. They made a... They made a... Whoa! Ah! Yeah, come on.
Not that cut.
No.
Where, what? I think this is led to nowhere.
Guys, tell us a little story about yourself and where you come from. Starting with you.
Came from a little cocoon.
Where
My
from?
name's Cornelius Cocoon, and it was actually in Iraq, like the central Iraq.
Yep.
Very, very fascinating.
That's good to hear from you, Curious Cocoon. What was it?
Cornelius.
Cornelius Cocoon. And what's your name? Where are you from? And tell us something about yourself.
I'm John. I'm from Mars.
Cornelius Cocoon! He's gone. Cornelius, whatever your fucking name is. How's it going?
Puffed.
Hi, Puffed. I'm Cornelius.
Cornelius.
Alright guys, what we're gonna do, me and Callan are gonna play a game of pool. Don't. Sake.
Yeah. You got one of cows. Yeah, we're getting the angles.
Sake.
What happened?
Two shit trying to play ball right now.
What's the plan of attack? He looked wonky as fuck. Oh, he's going for the diagonal approach.
Yes.
Shot. Ow, it hit my finger. Shot.
You got one more again.
Jesus, mate.
You have another 2 shots. Yo. Oh, that would have been sick.
That was close.
You didn't film the right ball.
I was trying to be cool with the camera and follow the wrong ball. Shit. Oh. Riley's only got the black now.
Alright, so what just happened, I fucking hit it, I got one of Cal's balls in, I got the white in, and then the black nearly went in. And it just fucking went weird. But it, yeah, it died before, so.
Oh. Oh, you got it. Shot. That was a really good shot though.
Oh, it's so bad. Now we do an outro, Jeff.
Righto. So the main thing you got to remember is if you haven't had VD 3 times, you're not a man.
Jesus, alright, well that's going to start us off. Anyway, we're doing a quick little outro. Jeffro's here, as you've seen in the start of the video, the main fucking man round here. Isn't that right, Jeff?
Yeah, maybe.
The mayor, we call him. Anyway, make sure you guys like and subscribe to post notifications on. And Jeffro, you got any last words, mate?
Yes, mate. If you're not up to your nuts and guts, you're not trying.
That's he's got all the sayings for you. I'll keep them coming. Anyway, you'll see him in the next video.
Yep.
We'll see if Jeffro's up. Jeffro, I've got a YouTube vid you need to be in. Come on.
Oh,